Hello everybody, welcome to the shop. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of lathe work, and I want to show you what that project is going to be used for. When I was working on my new bandsaw, tuning it up, getting new stuff set for it, this guy here in the background, this Klutch 52-inch bandsaw, I discovered a problem, and I want to show it to you right now. When I tighten up this vise, the handle drops out. So this thing has a little rubber stopper at the end. I don't know really if that's going to show up very well, but the rubber stopper pulls off pretty easy, and that's what happened with this critter. So that end doesn't have anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shaft, I'm going to turn a 5/16 18 thread on it on both ends, and then I'm going to go and take these nuts and screw them on, chuck that up in the lathe, take off the hex bar, polish it, and then knurl it. So these will be knurled end caps. So anyway, that's the process. Here we go. We'll make it work. Yeah, I think one of these is hand tight. Oh geez, there it is. Yep. So take this off, drop it through, screw this on. There we go. Peace.